How to level up fast in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can level up fast on Monopoly Go. Now, there are two ways on how you can level up fast on Monopoly Go. The first way is by getting and buying houses and properties. Okay. So, and the second way is by keep on playing and participating in tournaments and challenges. Once you keep on participating in tournaments and challenges, you would be leveling up faster than you think. So how do you get and buy houses? You buy houses by clicking on the build icon located by the lower part of the screen. At the lower left side of the screen, you see the hammer icon. That is the build option. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page where you can see the properties that you can buy. Alright, so just select the one you want to buy. You can select more as much as you can depending on the amount of coins you have. So if you have, for you to be able to get coins, you have to play the game and keep on playing the game to get a lot of coins and participating in tournaments and challenges and all of that. So if you've participated in all of that, you'll be able to have enough coins. And then once you've gotten enough coins, come to this page and buy as many houses as you can. So when you buy so much houses, you'll be leveling up. The more houses you get, the more you level up. And then once that is done on this page, keep on rolling your dice and keep on participating in challenges and tournaments, and you level up rapidly and faster than you thought. So this is how you can level up fast on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching.